Good morning students. We already learned about Pythagoras triplet 30-60-90 theorem and 45-45-90 theorem. Today we are going to learn new theorem, that is similarity of right angle triangle. The statement of the theorem is, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangle form are similar to original triangle and each other. Here we have to consider one triangle, that is right angle triangle, and draw altitude from angle make right angle. We have to prove the two triangle make that are similar to each other and original triangle. So what is the given of the statement? First we consider the triangle, right angle triangle, that is triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, and we draw altitude from angle B at point D. We draw altitude from point B on AC, naming D, and altitude is always perpendicular. That's why we put here right angle sign. Now what is given? We consider a triangle ABC. That's why in triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree, and what we consider, we drawn BD is perpendicular to AC. We consider BD perpendicular to AC. Now what we have to prove? Here are two extra triangle made. One is triangle ADB and another is triangle BDC. We have to prove these two triangles are similar to each other and similar to this original triangle. So we have to prove triangle is similar to triangle ABC, that is original triangle. Again the new triangle form, that is triangle BDC, is similar to triangle original triangle, and the new triangle form, that is triangle ADB, is similar to triangle BDC. To prove this triangle similar, there are three tests of similarity. One is AA test of similarity, one is AAA test of similarity, SSS test of similarity, and SAS test of similarity. There are four tests of similarity. Out of these four tests, if triangle satisfied any one of the tests, if two triangles satisfied any one of the tests, then we can say that the two triangles are similar to each other. Now we start the proof of the theorem. First we consider a triangle ABC and triangle ADB. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, see the triangle, in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree and in triangle ADC angle D is 90 degree. So triangle angle ABC is congruent to angle ADB, and second, both triangle contain angle A. So we write down each 90 degree, and angle BAD is congruent to angle BAC. Angle A is common in both the triangle, that's why we write here common angle. This is the angle of a triangle and this is again the angle of a triangle. So by AA test of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. So we can write ADB is similar to triangle ABC. By which test? By AA test of similarity. we We put equation 1 here. Now we consider next two triangle, that is original triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Now in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Again here we want out of 4 tests, any test to make this triangle similar. One is angle ABC is congruent to angle BDC. Both triangle are right angle triangle. Each angle is 90 degree. ABC is 90 degree and again BDC, angle D is again 90 degree. So we write ABC is congruent to angle BDC, each 90. Second point is point C is common in both the triangle. Point C is common in both the triangle, that's why we write here ACB is congruent to angle BCD. Reason is common angle. Therefore, by again AA test of similarity, triangle ADB is similar to triangle, sorry ADB not, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. By which test of similarity? By AA test of similarity. We put here equation 2. Now we compare equation 1 and 2. ADB is similar to ABC and again ABC is similar to BDC. Means ADB is similar to ABC and BDC is again similar to ABC. So from 1 and 2 we can prove that triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Reason is from 1 and 2 we prove here triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. We put equation 3 here. So what we get from equation 1, 2 and 3? We get from equation 1, 2 and 3 triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC is similar to original triangle, that is triangle ABC from 1, 2 and 3. This is the theorem. Means we have to prove that if the triangle made by altitude drawn from the right angle triangle, we get 3 triangles and these 3 triangles are similar to each other. Now we move toward our new topic, that is theorem of geometric mean. The statement of the theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is a geometric mean of a segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Consider a right angle triangle, that is triangle PQR, in which angle Q equal to 90 degree. So what is given? In triangle PQR, we consider triangle PQR in which angle Q equal to 90 degree. We consider a right angle triangle PQR in which angle Q equal to 90 degree. We drawn from this, from point Q to the hypotenuse PR, altitude QS. We draw altitude QS on this hypotenuse PR. So we write here QS is perpendicular to PR. What we have to prove? According to statement, we have to prove this QS is nothing but a geometric mean of this hypotenuse. So we have to prove from theorem QS square is nothing but the ratio of the side in which it divided, that is PS into SR. Means in right angle triangle PQR in which angle Q equal to 90 degree, therefore the hypotenuse of a triangle is PR. We have to prove that in this PR the opposite the altitude drawn from the opposite vertex is nothing but the product of the side in which hypotenuse is divided, that is we have to prove that QS square equal to PS into SR. Now we start the proof of the theorem. We know by similarity of right angle triangle that two triangles made are similar to each other and are similar to original triangle. So we write down here triangle, original triangle PQR is similar to triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ. by similarity of right angle triangle. By similarity of right angle triangle, the original triangle is similar to the new two triangle, that is triangle QSR and PSQ. In triangle PQR, we want side QS. In triangle PQR, side QS is not there. That's why we consider two triangles, that is triangle QSR and PSQ. Out of these three triangles, we consider only triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ. Now we learn that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding ratio are equal to each other. So we take ratio of the triangle QS by PS equal to SR by SQ equal to QR by ratio of similar triangle. Out of these three ratio, we only want these two ratio. That's why we take QS by PS equal to SR by SQ. Now we shift terms. QS into SQ is nothing but QS square equal to PS into SR. So with the use of similarity of right angle triangle, we prove that the square of altitude is nothing but the product of hypotenuse segment in which the side is divided. This theorem is called as geometric mean. I hope you understand both the theorems. Thank you.